I built a data entry bot with Claude and Playwright. Now I'm going to run it in the cloud with axiom.ai using just a single line of code. The bot is already coded. It reads data from a CSV stored locally and will enter it into this web form. Before I run the script, you can head over to code.axiom.ai and grab your own API key. Now I'm going to be lazy and get Claude to run the script for me. Claude, not being as lazy as me, checks everything is in place. The CSV is there to extract the data from, the URL works, and confirms the script has run successfully on Axiom's infrastructure. If you're interested in giving this a go, every new user gets free runtime to try it. You can head over to code.axiom.ai to get your API key. Existing Axiom users can also use the tool. And if you're a Claude user, you can create your account directly in Claude using our Claude skill. Go to axiom.ai, build in Claude. Thank you.